Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In the previous class I have discussed something called the positions of alphabets, how to remember the positions of the alphabets. Once you are very thorough with the positions of the alphabets, it is very easy to solve some problems which are related to letter series, letter analogy or letter coding and decoding. Today I am here to solve some problems which were already asked in SSC-JE exams, previous year question papers. So let us solve it very easily. If you are very thorough in the positions of the letters, those problems which actually I am solving today will be very simple to understand. So first question. The question like a series is given with one or two terms missing. Choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. The first question I will solve now. It's like first you write down the question is given is A, E, I, M, Q, U, and you need to find out which is actually the last, just to complete the series. So first step is just write down the positions of the letters. This is 1, E is 5, I is 9, M is 13, Q is 17, and U is 21. So when you write the positions of the alphabets, then it gives some hint to what is actually the logic behind this. Just see here, this is 1 and E is 5. The difference between this is plus 4. So 5 plus 4 becomes 9. Again 9 plus 4 becomes 13. 13 plus 4 becomes 17. 17 plus 4 becomes 21. So the logic behind this is plus 4 logic. They have used plus 4 logic. So if it is plus 4, then the term becomes 25, which is the 25th letter, it is Y. So whether your answer for this question is Y. So whether it is there in option, yes, it is option D. So I will move to second question. So again you have to find out the missing letters. So the question is CDF. So again I will write down this. I will write down this again here. How to solve this? C, D, and F, and second one is D, E, and C. Third one is E, F, and H, and we have to find out the next letters, group of letters. So C to D, just to C to D, it is plus 1, right? So D to F, it is plus 2. It's like C is 3, D is 4, F is 6, again D is 4, E is 5, C is 3, and E is 5, F is 6, H is 8. So I am finding some difference between these. D and E, it is again plus 1. E to C, it is minus 2. Again E to F, it is plus 1. From F to H, it is plus 2. 6 to 8, it is plus 2. Here it is minus 2. So what may be this? Our question is what may be the blank. So how to solve this now? From C to D, it is CD, and it becomes DE, it becomes EF. So it is increasing like C, D, E, next will be definitely F. Next here it is D, again in the second group it is E, third group it is F, then it is D, E, F, next comes G. Okay, next see here, what about the third letter of each group? It is F here, whereas here it is C, here it is H. So what is next one? So here they have used some other trick, that is you feel some missing logic there. So you can see here C to D it is plus 1, D to E, F it is plus 2. Again it is here in third group it is E to F it is plus 1, F to H it is plus 2. So but in the second group you can see that D to E it is plus 1, but E to C it is minus 2. So The logic behind this is nothing but they have taken the logic of vowels. For vowels they have considered it as -2, and for consonants they have taken it as +2. So E is an vowel. So when you have an vowel, next letter will be -2. Which letter it is? It should be -2. So here E is an vowel, but F is not an vowel, D is also not an vowel. So for in this problem, for D and F they have considered it as +2, whereas for E they have considered it as -2. So here is the third letter is H, right? In the third group, third letter is H, second letter is F. So here also in the group of F and G, G is consonant, it is not an vowel. So F to G it is +1. Next G to something it should be +2 because it is not an vowel, it is a consonant. When it is a consonant we have it is +2. When we add it +2, F is 6, G is 7, so +2 is 9. Which is 9? It is I. So the answer is F, G, I. Whether it is there in the option of G? Yes, it is the option A. Let us move to the third question. So again I will write the group of letters, that is P, Q, R, next H, I, J, next D, E, F, and what is actually the next group of letters. So again I will start writing the numbers. P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18, H is 8, I is 9, J is 10, next D is 4, E is 5, F is 6. So next just to see the options. A, B, C, yes, it is also in order of increasing, like 16 to 17 +1, 17 to 18 +1, 8 to 9 +1, 9 to 10 it is also +1, 4 to 5 it is +1, 5 to 6 it is +1. But just see the options. Again A to B it is +1, B to C also +1, here also B, C, D it is also +1 and +1, right? D, E, F again it is also +1 and +1, C, D, E again it is also +1, +1. So which is the option now? In the options also everything remains, it looks, yes, every option looks correct. So another logic is there here. Just to see the first pair and second pair when you consider. So it is 16. The first I will consider the first letter, it is 16. In the second group the first letter is 8. That is nothing but 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So when I consider the second group and third group, the H is 8 whereas D is 4, right? So it is nothing but 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So here also there may be the chances like 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So which is the two just options, just check the options. 2 is the starting letter should be, the starting letter, you should have 3 letters in which the starting letter should be 2, because here the starting letter is 4, here the starting letter is 8, here the starting letter is 16. So here the starting letter should be 2, that is B, and it is increasing in order of +1 and +1. So B, C, D, the option B is the right answer for this question. Answer is option B. This is the right answer for this question. So let us move to the next question. It is 1 minute. Next question, that is, again I will write down the NDB, LED, next J, G, G. So next I will number it. It is 14, D is 4, B is 2, L is 12, E is 5, D is 4, next J is 10, G is 7, it is also 7. Next, what is this actually? Just see, when you have this group letters, then identify the relation between first group, second group and third group immediately. So you can see here N is 14, N to L it is 12, again L to J it is 10. So the first it's in the order of -2, -2, -2. So it should be also -2. It is 8. We'll see what is that. Next here D to E 4 to +1, E to G it is 5 to 7 +2. So G to something it should be like +3. Okay, next comes B to D it is 2 and 4, it is +2. Next to D to G it is D is 4, G is 7, that is +3. But here you can see G at the middle in the third group, G is twice, so the same order I will keep, that is +3 as that of previous one. So the first letter is decreasing by 14, 12, 10, 8, 8 1. 8 1 is your which letter? H. 8 1 is letter H. So first letter is H, and which is the second letter? It comes from the top, that is D is there, 4, 5, next to 7 it becomes +3, 10, which is 10th letter J. 10th letter is J. Next when you talk about B to D, D to G, right? D to G. So again I have to take like +3, G +3, again G +3 is J, that is G +3 becomes G7 +3 becomes 10, G +3 is 10, that is your J. So the option is H, J, J. Answer is H, J, J. That is there in option S. Is option C, H, J, J. We'll move to next question. This is very simple question where exactly the options also plays a very important role. Just to give an hint about the question, how actually what is actually the logic behind this. So again I will write it's like E, J, O, T, next I, N, S, X, A, F, K, P. So what is E? E is 5, next J is 10, O is 15, T is 20. So next I is 9, N is 14, S is 19, X is 24, whereas A is 1, F is 6, K is 11, P is 16. So just see here, E to J it is in the order of +5, J to O also in the order of +5, O to T also in the order of +5. Here also the same, it is 14 minus 9, it is +5, again N S it is also +5, 19, 24 it is also +5, again A to F 6 minus 1 is +5, 11 minus 6 is +5, again 16 minus 11 is also +5. So the logic is +5. So just search it in the option. So you can see in the option D, in the options D is exactly already given. In the question itself they have asked the EJOT, so you keep this option to the last. So D option as a last. So just go for writing the same order for the options. Like the options are C, H, M, S. C is 3, H is 8, M is 13, S is 19. So 8 minus 3, 5, it is +5. Yes, 13 minus 8, again it becomes +5. What is about this? It becomes +6. So option A is not an answer. Next we'll go for option B. It is an option A. This is option B. XT, O, J. X X stands for 24, T stands for 20, right? O stands for 15, J stands for 10. Just to see here itself, it is minus 24, it is plus 4, it gone. Here it is plus 5, again here it is plus 5. So there is one option plus 5, there is a you get plus 4, so it is not a logic. So second option is also went wrong. Next third option will show B, G, L, Q. B is 2, G is 7, L is 12, Q is 17. So 7 minus 2 is plus 5. Next 12 minus 7 is plus 5. Next 17 minus 12 is also a plus 5. So option C, it holds good for our logic what actually they have given in the problem. So option C is a right answer. Thank you so much.